Hello, and thank you for choosing Accurate Precious Metals Refineries. We're excited to assist you with selling your gold, silver, diamonds, or platinum. If you've requested a mail in kit, you'll receive it in the mail within a few days. Inside, you'll find all the necessary packaging for your items and a prepaid label. Here's how to prepare your shipment. First, complete the information card included in your kit. Be sure to provide as much detail as possible. Next, take clear photos of your jewelry. Keep these photos safe and easily accessible. Then, place your items into the provided plastic Ziploc bag. Make sure the bag is completely sealed to keep your items secure. After that, put the Ziploc bag into the provided jewelry mailer. Roll the mailer tightly to create a snug fit around the bag and seal it securely while it's rolled. Next, place the mailer into the box or directly into the mailer with the prepaid label, depending on the mail-in kit you received. Seal the box or mailer securely, ensuring no corners poke through it, as it may be a tight fit. Take your package to an official carrier location and ask the staff to scan the prepaid label. They'll provide a receipt, which often includes tracking information, and the package weight. Please take a clear photo of the receipt and keep it safe. Track your shipment online every step of the way for peace of mind. Once we receive your shipment, our team will promptly appraise your items and send you a fair market offer via phone call or email. If you accept, we'll rush your payment to you. If you decline, no problem. We will return them to you with no obligation or hassle. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to serve you.